guys, and welcome to my channel. So on today's video, as you can see, I am trying to get my little 14-month-old / 15-month-old basically son to get his hair braided for the first time. So I thought his hair is growing. I thought maybe we could try something different, you know, just to see how it's gonna look on him. If it works out, then maybe I can go ahead and be braiding his hair or something, but if not, you know, just leave it. But yeah, this is my very first attempt, and did they really let me do it? If you want to see how this video went on, keep watching. So basically, he's let me done the first 2 rows, and onto the third one he started kicking off really badly. And yes, he started moving his head all over the place. Obviously he wanted to play, but as you can see, this hair, it's not neat or like, you know, perfectly done, because this is a huge struggle to get him to sit still. I'm just like trying to see how it's gonna work out. So finally, onto the last one. After such a huge struggle, I managed to put him on my lap, and he sort of like calmed down a little bit, and his sister was singing him one of his favorite songs, so that sort of like calmed him down a little bit. So I did, and then I'm gonna go ahead and use a rubber band to tie the ends, just like I'm doing like so, because I couldn't do the back as well because there were quite, you know, little bit of hair there. So I just grabbed it and tied it all together. So it's like a little mini man bun thing going on here, you know. So there you go, we're done finally. But he was really happy and relieved to not be held down, you know, trying to do something to his hair. But this is how it came out. It's not perfect, like I said before, but it works. He looks absolutely cute. I can't even get over him. But I will keep trying to see if I could do this over again, maybe some other time, and maybe make it more neater, and it'll be easier. By then he will get used to it. But that's it pretty much, guys. I hope you liked the video, but thank you for watching, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye.